Hello guys, I'm Mikhail and today I am going to show you how to replace this battery here, and I will also show you how to put everything back the way they were so that you can get this thing working again. You want to install this back, and then I believe this will sit right here. It has to be right on inside the circle. Okay, and then you're gonna flip this. Make sure the small wires, see those small wires for the little engine there, the vibration generator. Put this back like this. And you see this little groove right here. You have to make sure that this goes in between it. And I think that's it, like this. And then we are going to screw everything in the way they were. I think this is magnetic, perfect. So I'm gonna place this inside here. Let me put this down real quick. So don't screw it in all the way. Make sure you do put all the 3 screws in. Now you see this little part right here. You have to make sure that this goes all the way in, like so that it's not in the way. Boom. Okay, and then you go ahead and tighten up everything. Perfect. Don't over tighten it because you might damage the thread that's holding the screw. So that's that. Now with it like that, I would like to do like a quick test to make sure that the battery is indeed working. Now let me see this. I have something here. Let me plug it in. Yep, I can hear it vibrate, and boom, now it is charging. That is a great sign. So I'm going to unplug it again. Okay, as you can see, it is still on. Well, it just turned off. And now we're going to slide it back inside here. But before you do that, make sure that the wire sits. Okay, so you're sliding it inside like this. Take your time, don't fight with it. Okay, so that's that. And you see where the holes are for the 2 small screws. You're just gonna take them. They are so small I can't even pick them up with my own fingers. So that's why you need a magnetic screwdriver. And then take your time, find the hole. All right. Again, don't tighten it yet. Like this. Find the hole, take your time. All right. That's that. Okay. So now we have the head. And now this little piece right here is what's going to guide the charger, and it belongs in there. You have to put it in like this. Push it in. Okay, so it fell inside. Okay, push it all the way down. Use a flat screwdriver or something You're going to screw those 2 screws. Alright, so I just gotta take my time and make sure it goes in straight. Perfect. So it's in. Again, don't do it all the way. Take the second one. Take your time. Alright, perfect. Now we'll tighten up everything. Good. And then we'll tighten up the other one. Good. And then we're going to put this back. But before we do that, let me put the backing. I believe this goes in like this. Okay, the adhesive is still good, as you can see. Now I'm just gonna, before I put this back, let me do a quick test. Let's see if it'll light up when I push those 2 buttons to activate the Bluetooth. Let's see what happens. Boom! It's working still. Okay, now I can go ahead and put this clip back the way it was. And that's it. Voila. Okay, so as you can see, it's looking for Bluetooth. It's ready to go. Now if I connect this, let me see what happens. Let me see if it'll receive charge. All right, so I'm going to connect this. Let me see if I hear the vibration. Boom, it is charging. Okay. All right, so this is how you replace the battery for the Logitech presentation remote. If you like this video, guys, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll do more videos for you guys. Thank you for watching.